I think there's really four things that I would consider when it comes to being organized. The first is having a customer relationship management tool, a place to park all that information so you don't have to think about it. Here's the thing. If you're only spending 30 minutes a day, that means you got all these other hours in the day. You're doing everything else. You got a spouse, you got kids, you got all these other activities. When you actually sit down to spend 15 or 20 minutes, you need an application that you can go to that you can just pick up and start running. The main thing is, remember, you need to have a customer relationship management tool. The next thing is you need to have checklists. If you find yourself recreating the wheel every single time, you're using too much brain power. So I have a checklist for everything. I have a pre-interview, I have a checklist. I have a post-interview after the event, I have a checklist. I have a checklist to pack my bags. I have a checklist in the morning when I do my morning routines. I have a checklist when I get to the hotel. That way I don't have to think about anything. Being organized and having checklists are important. Here's the other thing, put sales activities on your calendar. So you have to actually calendar. If it's every Monday at 8 a.m. and Tuesday at lunch and on Wednesday at 3 o'clock, put that 30-minute time block that I want to prospect. I want to work on my sales part of my business during this time. Finally, have metrics in place to track your performance. You need to know how well you're doing because you're going to be tweaking things and you want to know if it's working or not. I used to be a 41% success rate. This year, my success rate to win a gig is 27%. What am I doing differently? Is there a market shift? You can't make any adjustments unless you have metrics in place.